We'll guide you through how to get and use Gboard on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Gboard is a keyboard made by Google. You've probably used it on other devices before, and so now you want it on an iPhone. To go and get started, open up the App Store like this. Go to the bottom right and click on Search, click on the search bar at the top, and you need to go and type in Gboard like so. Then you can scroll down and you should be able to see it here. Click on Get and we can go and download it. It shouldn't take too long, and you can then go and click on Open like so. Then go and click on Get Started. You can go and click on Skip in the top right, as I'll guide you through that there. So you can come out of Gboard and go and open up your device settings like so. Scroll down and click on General, and you can then scroll down and go and find Keyboard just here. Click on Keyboards at the top and click on Add New Keyboard. What you then need to do is click on Search and go and type in Gboard like so, and you can then select it, and there it is. What you can do is go and keep your original iPhone keyboard there, or you can click on Edit in the top right, click on the Remove button to the left and click Delete like so. Now we can come out of here, and we can go and open up an app where we can use the keyboard like Notes. As you can see, we're now using Gboard. What you can do is click on the gear or cog icon in the bottom left, and you can go into the settings and go and edit it, and there are other options as well.